Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS ROG Zephyrus. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS ROG Zephyrus is overheating and experiencing poor performance, you're likely facing a common issue that can be quite damaging if left unresolved. Overheating can lead to throttling, where the CPU reduces its speed to avoid further damage, resulting in a significant drop in performance. If this issue persists without repair, it could ultimately cause permanent damage to your CPU and other components. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, let's safely open the device. Make sure to power it off and disconnect it from the mains. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Gently pry the panel off, being careful not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Once the panel is removed, locate the CPU regulator. It is usually situated near the CPU itself and can be identified by its distinct appearance. If you're unsure, refer to the schematic for your specific model. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the regulator, noting where they connect for reassembly later. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the regulator in place. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once removed, gently lift the regulator out. Apply some isopropyl alcohol to a cloth and clean the area where the new regulator will be placed. Now, take the new CPU regulator and position it carefully in place. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight, as this could damage the component. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure and in the correct positions. Before closing the device, it's a good idea to apply new thermal paste to the CPU to ensure optimal heat transfer. Spread a thin layer of thermal paste on the CPU surface, then reattach the cooling system. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly and monitor the temperatures to ensure the issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to keep your device clean and free from dust, regularly check for software updates, and consider using a cooling pad during intensive tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.